Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Toyota Avalon Touring. This one is a Harbor Gray Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 301 horsepower with an 8-speed automatic transmission. We've got 19-inch black machine finished alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. A graphite leather interior, sunroof, coming around back. We've got a rear spoiler, Avalon Touring badging, opening up the tailgate. Got a set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, coming alongside. This one does come with a blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, backup camera, our multimedia system, navigation, touchscreen for our media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, emergency brake, our shifter for our automatic transmissions, our different driving selections. This Toyota has 15,825 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota, check out feldmanimports.com.